In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and trade with Ctrader Desktop for prop firm accounts. First, download Ctrader Desktop either from your prop firm's dashboard or directly from ctrader.com. Use the official sources to ensure you get the latest, safe version for your operating system. Once it's downloaded, install and open the app. On the welcome screen, click Login with Ctrader ID and enter your email to access your profile. This ties your platform to your trading accounts, so everything syncs correctly. After logging in, look to the top right and click your profile. From there, choose the prop firm trading account you want to connect. If your prop firm issued more than one account, pay attention to which one you select so you're trading in the intended environment. On the left panel, click Trade to open the main trading workspace and charts. If you have multiple prop firm accounts, you can use Switch Account to move between them without restarting the platform. This makes it easy to keep your strategies organized. To start analyzing a market, right-click a symbol from your market list and choose New Chart. You can open multiple charts and arrange them to compare pairs or instruments. At the top of the chart, use the timeframe buttons like 1mm to 5mm or 1H to zoom in or out, depending on your strategy. Shorter timeframes show more detail. Higher timeframes help you see the broader trend. To enhance your analysis, click Indicators at the top of the chart and add tools such as RSI or moving averages. Keep your chart clean and use only what supports your decision making, so the signals remain clear. When you're ready to trade, click New Order. Set your volume, review the order panel, and then choose Buy or Sell. After your trade is placed, you'll see Stop Loss and Take Profit lines on the chart. Click and drag those SL and TP lines to adjust your risk and reward visually. This is a fast way to fine-tune your trade management and lock in your plan. At the bottom, click Positions to monitor open trades. You can track price, P&L, and execution details and close any position by clicking the X when you're done with the trade. If you want to explore automation, click Automate, CBOT, at the top. You can run CBOTs for testing, but always confirm your prop firm's rules before using automation to avoid violations. Finally, click History to review your results, see wins and losses, and evaluate your overall performance. Use this to refine your approach and stay aligned with your prop firm's objectives.